We're Immobiliser Fit and this is an I-96 Connect on a Hyundai Ioniq 5. So if a thief got this key and went to steal the vehicle, as soon as they put it into gear, as you'll see, we select a gear, it goes from ready to off. We'll get a tyre pressure fault that comes up, but they're going to be unable to drive the vehicle away. Being a Connect system, the phone's going to ring, so we're going to know someone's attempted to steal our vehicle, whether it's parked around the corner or not. We're going to know in the moment someone's in the car trying to take it. Obviously, if it's you, you can choose from either doing a code, so you'll start the car, 1, 2, 3 is our code for now. We'll hear a tone and we can drive off, put it in gear, vehicle remains running, we don't get the call. If you're not a fan of codes, you can just have your phone connected up, Bluetooth on, just have it locked in your pocket. Oh, we'll just lock that. Next time you get in the car, just start it. It disarms straight away. You can drive off. No need to waste time doing a code. Obviously, someone's going to want to set their own code. We don't just want a simple 3 presses. We've got loads of videos on how you change that. It can be a code across multiple buttons, between 3 and 21 presses in any order the customer chooses. And they can also put it in and out of service mode, which makes it a normal vehicle when it goes back for a service. So to do that, we'll turn the ignition on. We'll prove it's us. If the phone's not here, we'll have to do our code. Now we've got our tone, we press one of the buttons 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll cycle the ignition off, pause for a second and then back on. On this vehicle, it's a double press. We hear 2 bleeps in the car. This is now in service mode, meaning it's a normal vehicle, no immobilisers fitted. You can also do the same in the app by just press and hold on the green circle till it goes yellow. When you let go and it remains yellow, it's in service mode, you get the same 2 double bleeps. Much easier than doing the buttons. But now, as you'll see, since it's in service mode, we'll put it in gear. It's a normal car. It goes straight into gear. No disarm tone, no call alert. Hyundai are not going to know anything's fitted. It's just going to act and behave like a normal vehicle. When you get it back, just turn the ignition on, pop your code in again. For this vehicle, we have just 3 presses. We hear 2 bleeps in the car and the system is active again. So just to make sure, just to show you, we're going to give it 10 seconds to set without a phone present. And we're going to just attempt to attack the vehicle like we're a thief and we've got the key and we're trying to drive it away. So we're a thief, we start the car, put it in gear to drive off. Car cuts out. We'll turn it off as if we're about to leave. The customer in the house, round the corner, wherever they are, they're going to know someone's tried to steal the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and this is an I-96 Connect on our 2021 Hyundai Ioniq 5. Thanks for watching.